Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I will show you how to download and install Crunchyroll on your Android TV with the Aurora App Store. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if you have a TV with an Android operating system or an Android TV and you want to download and install Crunchyroll using Aurora Store, this is exactly what you need to do. The first thing is for you to install Aurora. If you don't have to install the Aurora Store to your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link I have added that is going to add you or help you install the Aurora Store to your Android TV. So remember, this works on any TV that has an Android operating system. So after installing Aurora, what you need to do is to go ahead and launch it. So we're looking for the Crunchyroll application. So what you have to do is to come over here, scroll down a little bit to the option that says entertainment. So if you come down to the option that says entertainment, here is it. You are going to see the application over here. So this is a Crunchyroll application. Just come here, this Crunchyroll. And what you need to do is just to click on the application once, and it brings you to the installation page. So I want to say this is only going to work for a TV that has an Android operating system. So if your TV doesn't have an Android operating system, this wouldn't be work on it. So once you go over here, just click on install and the application will be installed to your Android TV. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.